After 40, the credit game changes. But most people are still playing by the rules they learned at 25. Here's what nobody tells you. The credit moves that build your score in your 20s can actually work against you in your 40s and beyond. Not because the system changed, but because your financial life did. At 25, you're building history. At 45, you're protecting longevity. Two completely different strategies. Let me show you what I mean. Opening new accounts to boost your mix. In your 20s, this might help. After 40, it rarely does, because you likely already have the mix. And what you gain in variety, you lose in average account age. That trade-off doesn't work in your favor anymore, chasing higher limits just to lower utilization. If you're already keeping balances low, requesting credit increases does almost nothing for your score.
But it signals to lenders that you might be preparing to borrow more. After 40, stability matters more than ceiling height. Closing old accounts you don't use. This one hurts people the most. They think they're simplifying, but they're erasing history. And after 40, history is your strongest asset.
Even inactive accounts contribute to your average age and total available credit. Leave them open unless there's an consistency, not perfection. One late payment at 45 impacts your score more than the same mistake at 28. Because the system expects you to know better. Your track record is longer, so deviations stand out.
Autopay isn't optional anymore. It's insurance. Utilization control during income transitions. Job changes, retirement, consulting, these shift your cash flow. And when cash flow shifts, people lean on credit. That's when utilization spikes. And after 40, a utilization spike takes longer to recover from. Because lenders interpret it differently. It's not experimentation, it's instability. The impact of co-signing or authorized users. After 40, you're more likely to help adult children, noble intentions. But every account you attach your name to affects your report.
Their missed payment becomes your missed payment. Their balance becomes your utilization. Help if you can, but understand the exposure. Here's the part most people miss. Before 40, credit scoring is about proving you can handle debt. After 40, it's about proving you don't need to. Lenders want to see restraint, low balances, long histories, predictable behavior. They're not impressed by someone with $100,000, and they're impressed by someone with $100,000 available who only uses $3,000. That's the signal that matters now. If you're over 40 and your credit score isn't where you want it, the fix isn't more accounts. It's more discipline on the accounts you already have. Pay early, not on time. Keep utilization under 10%, not under 30%. And protect your oldest accounts like they're irreplaceable. Time is the one factor you can't manufacture. Every year an account ages, it works for you. But only if it stays open. And only if it stays clean. Most people treat credit like a tool they can always fix later. And when you're young, that's mostly true. After 40, it's not. Mistakes compound. Recovery takes longer. And every point you lose costs more to rebuild, not just in time, but in interest rates, insurance premium. That's not meant to scare you. It's meant to focus you.
Because after 40, credit isn't about building anymore. It's about protecting. If this is making you rethink your approach, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Credit Unmasked for clear, no-hype breakdowns of how credit actually works. Especially for people who can't afford to waste time on bad advice. And drop a comment below. Are you over 40?
What's the one credit question you wish someone would answer honestly? I read them all. And your questions shape future episodes. Because the system doesn't adjust to your age. But your strategy should.